These trade-safe lockout tagout tags feel genuinely industrial, with thick vinyl that holds up well against tearing, moisture, and harsh chemicals in busy facilities. The sturdy brass grommet reinforces the tie hole, so the tag stays attached even when it is tugged, brushed, or exposed to vibration around machinery. Each tag has plenty of writing space that takes permanent marker or grease pencil cleanly, making it easy to record who locked out the equipment and why. High contrast colors and bold safety wording make the tags stand out from a distance, so workers immediately recognize that a device is out of service. The set includes a generous supply of tags and matching nylon zip ties, which makes it convenient to outfit multiple panels, valves, and machines without hunting for extra fasteners. They are designed with Occupational Safety and Health Administration lockout tagout guidelines in mind, giving safety managers confidence that they support a compliant program.